Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you a super easy trick to remove watermarks from photos using Gemini Nano Banana. It's completely free and you don't need any complicated editing tools. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it on your browser or open it through the app like this. And then log in with your Google account. And now just go to tools called create image, or you can also access it by tap on tools sections and then create images like this. This feature is powered by Nano Banana. This is Google's latest feature that lets you edit images instantly with just a prompt. Next, just upload the photo that has the watermarks. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then choose your photo like this. And then here's something important. Don't type remove watermark in the prompt because Gemini will reject it. Instead, just type remove all text in this photo like this. Like this, and then just click generate. And okay, like this. And instantly your photo will be clean, no watermark text anymore. But what if your photo has a more complex watermarks? For example, it has lines, logos, or graphic shapes. For example, you have a photo with watermark like this. Like this. So in that case, just use this prompt. For example like this, and then just click generate. And okay, like this, Gemini will remove both the text and the graphic. And okay, that's it. With this simple trick, you can remove watermark easily using Nano Banana, and it's all for free. So just remember, never write remove watermark in your prompt. Instead, just use words like remove text or remove graphic designs. Okay, if you found this tutorial help you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.